Welcome to my first ever video. I plan on doing a lot of these free code camp problems, so if you're interested, please subscribe and follow me while throughout this journey. Okay, so my first ever video would be repeat a string, repeat a string. Okay, so repeat a given string as the first argument for num times as the second argument. Return an empty string if num is not a positive number. For the purpose of this challenge, do not use a built-in repeat method. Okay, so basically they're going to give us a string and they're going to give us the amount of times, the num amount of times that they want us to repeat it. Okay, so first let's start with, let's call it new string, and I want that to be an empty string. So why do I want this to be an empty string? Because this is the thing I'm gonna return. So we can change the return to new the variable that I created here, and we're pretty much gonna add the string that's given into this new string, the amount of times they want us to do it. With that, you can use a for loop or a while loop. I usually like for loops, but in this case, I think a while loop could be a little bit better. So I'm going to go with num is greater than 0. And here I will put, let's see, yeah, it's just the new string, and plus equals to the string. So this makes it so, right, so far this should give, yep, infinite loop, because I haven't, num is, if we use this, num would be 3, and we're not changing num. So it should be an infinite loop, it should never stop. Now if I say num minus minus, minus minus, then you know, minus, by the way, is the same thing as num equal, you can say minus equals to 1, or you can say num equals to num minus 1. They're all the same thing. So those three are you can say those the exact same way. So I like num minus minus, so I'll use that. And honestly, that should do it. If you want a further explanation, I'll say that really quickly. If num was 3 here, and you're subtracting it by 1 each time, so that means it would run it 3 times, and that's exactly what you want. You want this to be added to this new string 3 times, so it should be ABC, and then ABC, and then ABC. And let's just submit to see. Let's go. All right, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed.